In this video, you'll learn how to remove voices on ElevenLabs. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to successfully delete unwanted voice profiles from your account. Begin by navigating to the ElevenLabs homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for ElevenLabs. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface, which includes various options related to voice synthesis. Next, locate and click on the text-to-speech option. This is usually found prominently on the homepage. After clicking, the interface will transition to the text-to-speech section where you can manage your voice settings. Once you're in the text-to-speech area, look for the option labeled Voice. Click on it to proceed. This action will display a list of available voices that you can use for speech synthesis. After that, click on My Voices to access the voices you have created or uploaded. This section will show all your custom voices, allowing you to manage them easily. Choose the voice you wish to delete. After selecting the desired voice, look for 3 dots or an options icon next to the voice name. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In the drop-down menu, select Delete Voice. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete this voice. Click Delete Voice again to finalize the removal. It's important to note that deleting a voice is permanent, so ensure that you no longer need this voice before proceeding. After completing the deletion, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the voice has been successfully removed from your account. This ensures that you have effectively managed your voice profiles. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.